model, 2020 Mercedes Sprinter 314 CDI front-wheel drive L2H2. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 184,016. MOT, the 30th of July 2025. Engine, 2143 cc OM651 MI2 143 HP. Transmission, front-wheel drive automatic. Mechanical summary: engine does not start and won't turn over, engine has seized from block damage. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, sat-nav, reversing camera, air-con, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £10,595 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740111